Hello, everyone. This is Lauren with the Shaker Heights Public Library Adult Services staff, and I wanted to take a few minutes to tell you about a brand new service that we are really excited about. It's called CreativeBug. CreativeBug is an online video service that offers thousands of arts and crafts classes covering a huge variety of techniques, including painting, drawing, sewing, knitting, crocheting, baking, screen printing, and so much more. If you are a crafter or a maker interested in learning from renowned artists and crafting professionals, then CreativeBug is for you. Let's take a look. From the shakerlibrary.org webpage, click on Resources and Research. From there, you can click on C for CreativeBug or click on Books, Arts, and Literature. From the resulting list, you'll want to scan down until you find CreativeBug. Click on the link to view the database. From here, you'll need to enter your library card number in the space that says Library Card, and then click Login. Next, you will need to create your personal sign-on for CreativeBug. You'll need to enter your first name, your last name, your email address, and whatever password you would like to use to access CreativeBug. When those spaces are filled out, go ahead and click Submit. And that's it. Now you're registered to use CreativeBug. The next time you log in, you'll be able to do so using your email address and your password. Let's go ahead and check out what types of classes are on offer. We can do that by clicking See Latest Classes here. And here is where the magic happens. At the top of the screen, you'll see a toolbar that says Classes, Inspiration, CreativeBug TV, and Daily Practice. Under Classes, you can see all the different types of classes that you can take on CreativeBug. There's art and design, sewing, quilting, paper, knitting, crochet, food and home, jewelry, holiday and party, and even kids. Let's go ahead and explore something in the art and design category. You can see that there are additional categories for things like craft technology, ceramics, drawing and illustration, home decor, lettering, mixed media, painting, printmaking, sketchbook exercises, and textiles. Let's go ahead and click on ceramics. From here, we can see that there are 12 classes that feature ceramics. Here's one, Hand-Built Ceramics, taught by Linda Fahey. When we bring up that class, we can see that the estimated time for the class is 2 hours, 3 minutes, and 5 seconds. There's a summary of the class content, and you can even see the chapters that the class is broken down into. That way you can take each piece as you have time. You don't have to take the entire class all at once. And if we decide that we want to see a little bit more information about the instructor, Linda Fahey, we can click directly on her name. And here's her profile. We can see that she's a ceramic artist and designer with a studio called Yonder, located in Pacifica, California. And down below, you can see all of the classes that Linda is associated with. If we return back to the class page, we'll be able to see the best feature that CreativeBug has to offer. All of its classes are presented by video. That means that you can see every technique demonstrated for every single project. In order to play the class, simply click the play button in the center of the image. For those of you in the maker community, you'll want to definitely check out, under Art and Design, the Craft Technology section. Here you'll find a variety of projects that use Cricut cutters or Glowforge laser printers. By clicking into the individual projects, you'll again be presented with a summary of each class content, and then you'll even see a list of materials necessary, a gallery of images, a discussion board, notes, watch list, and transcript. You're going to be amazed by the sheer variety of classes in this program. I encourage you to really explore and take advantage of everything that it has to offer. In fact, I'm going to share with you one of the courses that I recently took under Classes, Jewelry, and Beading. I happened to have some supplies at home, and I wanted to see just what I could find to fit my supply list. What I found was a leather wrap bracelet class instructed by Melanie Falick. I was able to take nylon thread, leather cord, and beads to create a really beautiful pair of bracelets. And here they are. The bracelet on the left was made with leather cord and glass beads. The one on the right made with silvery nylon thread and jasper beads. I have to say I've never done beading in my life, but Melanie Falick's technique was so easy to use, and the videos made it possible to follow her step by step throughout the entire project. We would love to know what you think about CreativeBug. Let us know or share a picture of your project. Thank you so much for watching. And if you need any assistance, feel free to reach out and ask. You can reach us at 216-991-2030, option 6, or you can email us at librarian@shakerlibrary.org. Be sure to check us out on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube.